Stop scooping litter every day. The right automatic cat litter box can save you time, reduce odors, and make cat care much easier. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best automatic cat litter boxes of 2026. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. I've compared their cleaning systems, safety features, smart controls, odor management, and overall value. Let's start with number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. PETKIT PuraMax 2. Starting at number 5 is the PETKIT PuraMax 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. It features automatic cleaning, app control, safety sensors, odor control, anti-leakage protection, and a low entrance. It also has a spacious 76-liter interior and operates at around 35 decibels, making it a quiet option for the home. Review highlights. The PuraMax 2 is a great choice for cat owners who want smart controls and convenient maintenance. The app lets you monitor usage and manage cleaning settings, while its sealed design helps contain odors and reduce leaks. Pros: automatic self-cleaning, app control, multiple safety sensors, strong odor control, low entrance design, quiet operation. If smart features are important to you, the PuraMax 2 is a strong option. At number 4, we have the Neakasa M1 Plus Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Its open-top design gives cats plenty of space, while the upgraded model features 6 sets of infrared sensors for 360-degree protection. It also includes odor lock technology and a leak prevention layer. Review highlights. The biggest advantage here is the open design. It can be a great fit for cats that dislike enclosed litter boxes, while the automatic cleaning system handles the repetitive work. The safety sensors also monitor your cat's position and pause the system when necessary. Pros: open-top design, 360-degree safety sensing, automatic self-cleaning, odor lock technology, leak prevention design. Great for larger or multi-cat homes. If your cat prefers an open litter box, the M1 Plus is worth considering. Moving into the top 3 is this open-top automatic litter box, designed for users who want a simple self-cleaning solution. It combines automatic cleaning with odor control and an open design, while being ready to use without a complicated setup. Review highlights. What I like about this model is its straightforward approach. You get automatic cleaning without an overly complicated system, and the open-top design can make the box more comfortable for cats that prefer more space. Pros: automatic self-cleaning, open-top design, odor control system, easy setup, everyday operation. For a straightforward automatic litter box, this is a solid choice. At number 2 is the Fumoi Automatic Litter Box. It combines automatic cleaning with app control, safety sensors, and washable litter trays, giving you a convenient way to manage everyday litter maintenance. Review highlights. The washable trays are a useful feature because they make cleaning and maintenance easier. Add the app control and safety sensors, and you get a well-rounded system designed for convenience. If easy maintenance and smart controls are your priorities, the Fumoi is a great option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cumrige Automatic Litter Box. This model combines automatic cleaning, app control, safety sensors, and an impressive 95-liter capacity. The current Cumrige M4 design also features a 15-liter sealed waste bin and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi app control for scheduling and monitoring. Review highlights. The large capacity is a major advantage, especially for larger cats or multi-cat households. The app lets you monitor the system and receive alerts, while the safety sensors are designed to pause operation when your cat is nearby. Pros: large 95-liter capacity, automatic self-cleaning, app control, safety sensors, sealed waste bin. Great for multi-cat households. Overall, it offers an excellent combination of capacity, convenience, and smart features. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best automatic cat litter box overall. After comparing cleaning performance, safety, smart features, capacity, and convenience, my overall recommendation is the Cumrige automatic cat litter box. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more pet product reviews, Amazon product reviews, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.